Bharatnaryadvance.com.
Next is a question based on these theorems, example 10 of this topic. Example 10. The question is, in the given figure, angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. In the figure, angle ACB is equal to 90 degree and CD is perpendicular to AB. CD perpendicular to AB. We have to prove that BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. BD by AD. This is the thing which we have to prove. Now, we have to draw the figure. It is triangle ABC and CD is perpendicular to AB. Now, we have to consider triangle ACD and triangle ABC. In triangle ACD and triangle ABC. Triangle ACD and ABC. Angle CAD is equal to CAB. Angle CAD is equal to angle CAB. The reason is common angle. Angle CAD and angle CAB are the same angle. Common angle. Common angle. And angle ADC is equal to angle ACB. The reason is angle ADC is equal to 90 degree and angle ACB is also equal to 90 degree. The reason is each is 90 degree. Each is 90 degree is the reason. So, we can write these two triangles are similar by AA similarity criterion. Therefore, triangle ACD is similar to triangle ABC by AA similarity criterion. Similarity criterion. Therefore, AC by AB, the side AC is taking, we are taking the side AC. AC is the hypotenuse of smaller triangle, AC by AB. Therefore, AC by AB is equal to, AB is the hypotenuse of larger triangle and AC is the hypotenuse of smaller triangle ACD. This ratio is equal to AD by AC. AD by AC. AD by AC. Ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles. Ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now we can cross multiply AC into AC. AC square is equal to AB into AD. We are cross multiplying this result, AC into AC is equal to AC square, which is equal to AB into AD. We are taking this as equation number 1. Now we have to consider triangle BCD and triangle BAC. Triangle BCD and BAC is the larger triangle. In triangle BCD and triangle BAC. Triangle BAC. Angle CBD equal to, angle CBD is equal to CBA. CBD means this angle and CBA is also the same angle. So the reason is common angles. Common angles. Common angles. And angle CBDC, angle BDC is equal to, angle BDC means this angle. Angle BDC is equal to angle BCA. Angle BCA. Angle BDC is equal to 90 degree. Angle BCA is also equal to 90 degree. Therefore, the reason is each is 90 degree. Each is 90 degree is the reason. Therefore, the two triangles are similar. We are getting the result that the two triangles, that is triangle BCD and BAC, are similar. Therefore, triangle BCD is similar to triangle BAC. Reason A similarity criterion. We are getting triangle BDC and BAC are similar by AA similarity criterion. The same criterion was here also, triangle ACD and triangle ABC. We are getting the two triangles are similar by AA similarity criterion. By taking the ratio of the corresponding sides, we got one relation, AC square is equal to AB into AD. Here also, we are getting another relation, BC square, that means the hypotenuse of the smaller triangle, BC square is equal to. For that, we have to write the ratios, BC divided by BA. BC divided by BA is equal to BC is the hypotenuse of the smaller triangle BDC. Therefore, the corresponding hypotenuse of the larger triangle is BA. BC by BA is equal to BD by BC. BD by BC. The corresponding sides BD and BC are the corresponding sides. Here it is the common angle and 90 degree. Here it is common angle and 90 degree. Therefore, the sides joining common angle and 90 degree is equal to BD. Here the side joining common angles is BC. BD by BC. Reason, ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now we can cross multiply this result. Cross multiplying BC into BC, which is equal to BC square is equal to BA into BD. BA into BD. We are naming it as equation number 2. In the question, we are asked to prove BC square by AC square. Here it is BC square. So, equation number 2 divided by equation number 1 gives the left side of equation number 1 is BC square. And the left side of equation number 1 is AC square. So, BC square by AC square is equal to the value of BC square from equation number 2 is BA into BD. BA into BD divided by the value of AC square is also AB into AD. AB into AD. That means BC square by AC square is equal to BC square by AC square is equal to AB and BA are same. So we can write BA as AB. AB into BD divided by AB into AD. Now AB and AB are cancelling. AB and AB get cancelled. So the remaining is, that is BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. BD divided by AD. Hence we proved the result. This was the thing which we have to be proved. Here in triangle ACD and ABC, ACD and ABC, ACD and ABC, they are the triangle. We are taking the side AC by AB. AC is the hypotenuse of smaller triangle ADC and AB is the hypotenuse of larger triangle ABC. So we are taking AC by AB and AD, the side AD is the side joining the common angle and the right angle. Common angle and right angle, that is the side AD. And in the larger triangle, the side is AC, which is joining the common angle and the right angle. So we are taking AD by AC there, AD by AC. Similarly, we are taking here also the hypotenuse and the common angle. So we are getting the relation BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD, and hence it was proved. Okay. It's a good question, very good question for the board exam. So note it as important and study very well this type of questions. Okay.